Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on performance engineering with hands-on session. So basically, in this today's session, we will discuss about the scalability issues. So here we will have two APIs, and in the first round, we will test these APIs separately and we will measure the performance. And in the next round, we will combine both the APIs together and we will see how performance of one API will have impact on another API. So we see here we have book vaccine API and we will test with 5 users for 5 minutes and we will we will capture the performance characteristics. And also get slots, we have 15 user and we'll run with 15 user and 5 minutes. And also again, you will capture the performance metrics. That is the first round. In the next round, we will combine both the APIs together. That is book vaccine with 5 users and get slot with 15 users. And we'll compare performance characteristics between APIs separately and APIs together. And we will see how performance varies if at all. Okay, so we'll start with book vaccine. Okay, let us test. So the response time is around 2 milliseconds when we test this API separately. Okay, it is book vaccine around 2 milliseconds. It is APIs separately. APIs separately. Okay, let us stop this test. Now we will test get slots API. Again, let us measure the performance. Okay. It is get available slots. The response time is around 6 seconds, 7 seconds. Okay. Maybe around here. Okay, it is around 10 seconds. Okay. It is around 10 seconds. Okay, we ran it for almost for 45 seconds with 15 users. So you have taken the response times. Okay. So let us stop this test again. Now we'll test both the APIs together. Okay. So book vaccine with 5 users and get slots with 15 users. Okay, clear the logs. Okay. Now, when we do a combined test, okay, it is a combined test. Now, book vaccine API is around 6 seconds, you can see, and get available slots. Let us see. We'll capture the response time when elapsed time is around 45 milliseconds. Sorry, 45 seconds. Okay, if you observe closely, there will not be much change in the response time of the get available slots between the test which we did individually and both the APIs together. It is around 11 seconds. Whereas the first API, which took around 2 milliseconds when we tested individually, now it is taking around 11 seconds, so which is a huge degradation. Okay, so basically during these situations, thread dump help us a lot to understand where exactly it is getting blocked. Okay, So now we will make use of JVisual VM. So JVisual VM to understand the behavior of the threads and to identify the blockers. Okay, so this is the JVisual VM. So this is the thread behavior. Here we have various threads are there. So we'll take the thread down. Thread end. Okay, and so we'll copy it to a notepad. Basically, we will have some thread dump analyzer, so which help us to analyze the thread dump easily. Okay, so we will have a wizard. So wherein moment you import the file, so it gives us pictorial view of various status of the threads and all. Okay, suppose if you see here, this is the thread one which is blocked. Okay. So and it is blocked for this particular resource. Okay. So and this is the book vaccine API, and the degradation we see is in the book vaccine API only. Okay. So this is the API where we observe the degradation, and so that API, I mean the thread which is executing that API is waiting to lock this particular resource. Okay. So now let us see who acquired this particular log and we'll analyze. Again, this is also in blocked status. This is, yeah, this is writing. Okay. If you see, this is the thread which is locked that particular resource, right? And if you see that thread is executing get free available slots. So basically here we see two endpoints. One endpoint with book vaccine where we saw degradation. It is waiting to log this particular resource, whereas this resource is locked by the thread, so which is executing the API1 get free available slots. So if you see here, get free available slots is the API which caused the response time of book vaccine API to degrade. It means book vaccine API needs some resource which are locked by the get available slots. That's why this degradation is all about. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.